Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now this one looks like a little gnome. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added this chameleon powder. It is a red, orange, yellow. The colour is really pretty in that epoxy resin. It's got a really nice colour to it. So all I'm going to do is fill up this mould and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, I'll let that sit for a few minutes and then I'll pop any bubbles that appear and I'll let that cure for at least 24 hours before we unmold and I'll be back. Okay, it has been 48 hours actually. Time to unmold this gnome. Oh, it's looking like it's going to come out easy for me, which is great. And wow, there you have it guys, the finished product. Isn't the detail on him beautiful? Well, if you're looking for a little gnome, perfect for Christmas, give this mold a go guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye guys.